Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is basically the next part of the language. So one person told that मतलब सही में मतलब one of the assume that basically Google basically watched this video Google basically watched this video. So they will take seriously basically. They will not take seriously. Why? Because they will say that basically ये तो ऐसे ही फेंक रहा है basically. फेंक रहा है means he is just telling like this. He is just telling whatever things basically comes in his mind. He is just telling that only basically. But the hackers basically who are doing the hacking basically, they 100% might be tracking this person basically. Assume that basically they have basically hacking my subscribers. So they 100% might be tracking my data basically. What data basically I am creating. What data basically I am creating. So one of the person told that the people who are hackers basically, they are 100% connected with Sunila Nayar's data basically. Why? Because they have hacked. And this thing basically text box equal to 1000 cities. Assume that basically they have tracked this basically. From some source basically. Some news channel group told that अरे भाई ये ऐसा बोल रहा है. So news channel basically are expert basically because they are connected with each and every medias. So one of the person told that if you want to track internet basically data, the entire data of the world basically is with Wikipedia. So news channel basically only see that Wikipedia basically. Nothing else basically they go basically. Nothing else basically they go basically. So they basically just track that Wikipedia, and Wikipedia basically has tracked my data basically. My data basically is tracked by the Wikipedia. So you can just imagine basically up to what level basically the stuff basically are connected. Up to what level basically stuff basically are connected. So next video.